What's up guys? So I'm back here at the shop. I brought the E30 to get it aligned. I got the E30 on the rack and I'm just gonna set it all up and then show you guys how to do the alignment. Alright, so first thing I did before I'm gonna start aligning the car is I aired up the tires. That's what you gotta do before you align a car, is you gotta make sure that the tires are all within spec of tire pressure. Alright, so we're at the computer. Let's begin alignment. It's gonna be a BMW 3 Series 84 through 93, 325i, 325is series, 88 and on. I have 16-inch wheels, but since 15 is right here, I guess that's the biggest one I can choose, so I just choose 15. So it's gonna tell you to put some weight on the car, and then next. Alright, so it's telling me to push the car back. Now to push it back forward. Alright, now it's gonna measure the caster. So let me turn the steering wheel so I get into the green section. So I've centered the steering wheel and then I installed the brake pedal depressor to keep it all lined up. Yeah, so I got the rear kind of where I want it. Maybe a little bit more adjusting, but it looks pretty good right there. And then the front, I'm gonna have to adjust the toe. So anytime you're aligning a car, you always want to do the rear first and then you adjust the front. So just want to let you guys know. So if we go to the rear of the car, it's kind of dark. You can't really see, but I got some light on here. So again, as I said in the other video, the adjustment closest to the diff is gonna be your camber. So I've already adjusted the camber. I got a little bit of negative on there. For the toe, it's the one closest to the wheel. So I got my 19mm right there. I just adjusted the toe. I'm gonna finish up the rear and then I'll go to the front. So this is the front. This is what it's at right now. This is before I aligned it. So on E30s, the only thing you can adjust up front is the toe. Other than if you have like camber caster plates, stuff like that. So the way you adjust the toe is from the tie rods. So the tie rod's right here. So you just loosen this bolt. There's a nut in the back. And then you spin this inner tie rod in and out depending on where you want to go, if you want a positive toe or negative toe. So for me, on the right side, I need a little bit more negative toe, and on the left side, I need a lot of negative toe. Alright, so the right side I got it within spec, which is 15 degrees. And then now I'm gonna do the left side. Alright, so for the toe I got it pretty close. Caster is going to be 8.4 and 8.2 degrees, and then the camber is going to be -1 on both sides. I can't do anything about the caster and camber because it's not alignable, but those specs are with my E36 M3 front because I'm 5-lug swap. So what I have in the front is going to be the M3 struts, M3 knuckles, and M3 control arms, and obviously the brakes and all that. So that's what I have in the front. Everything's all green. The rear's green. The rear's pretty good. The front's pretty good. So yeah, so pretty much I aligned the E30. So it should all be within spec. So everything's all green, everything's all good, and it should drive pretty straight. So thanks for watching another video, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.